Hi, and thank you for joining us on today's episode of Coffee with CREN. I'm Lauren, and today we're going to be going over driving directions in Paragon Connect. Let's get into it. Cheers. So, say that you are on site with a client and they're not loving their location and they want to go look at a different site. You can easily get driving directions through Paragon Connect by typing in their address or doing a quick search like I'm doing. Hopefully, you'll know where you're going because I am just going by the wind. So say that they want to see this location. You can click on it. You can go up to this right hand three dots and you can click on driving directions. It will take you to a Google map and you can easily get there from here. Or say that you have a tour and you want to send the driving directions to your clients. You can click on this little white box in the top left hand corner and go over here up in the right hand corner where this little signpost is, and you can click on driving directions and it will take you to the same Google Maps. And from here you can send it to your clients, or say you're going to this location first, you can drag and drop it to reorder and then send it out to your clients so everybody knows where they're going. You should try it out. Cheers.